What's going on, everybody? If you guys are new here, I'm Houston Sanchez.
And I'm Olivia, and we're Rolling With The Sanchezs, a full-time traveling family of 7 who decided we wanted something different than the everyday hustle and bustle, so we kept asking ourselves why we were doing the same thing when we could be doing life all over the country together. At the start of our journey, we thought moving to Florida was going to be the fix-all. But after a month trial living in Florida, we decided that wasn't right for our family. We wanted to experience the whole US and find that one place that was our happy place. So in 2024, we packed up our family, sold everything, and moved into a 40-foot travel trailer and hit the road. We've been traveling ever since. Over the past 2 years, our RV has taken our family through more than 23 states, giving our kids experiences, adventures, and memories we never could have created if we had stayed in one place. Because one thing we've realized in this life is that life is too short and childhood is even shorter. Between school, work, activities, and everyday responsibilities, so much of our time with our children can disappear before we even realize it. We decided we wanted to take some of that time back. That doesn't mean education isn't important to us. It means we've built education around what each of our children actually need. Some of our kids traditional homeschool, while others attend online school programs. There's no one-size-fits-all approach in our family. We tailor their education to their individual academic needs, while giving them the opportunity to learn from the world around them. We've built a life that might look a little different from what we grew up believing a family was supposed to look like. We're breaking generational curses, creating new traditions, and choosing our own definition of family, success, and happiness. This life isn't always easy. It definitely isn't always perfect, but it's ours. And we're choosing to spend it together, 1 mile, 1 state, and 1 memory at a time. Welcome to Rolling With The Sanchezs.
I'm Carter, the oldest, and I'm 14 years old, and I like to play video games and play soccer. I want to get into Air Force Academy and be an engineer. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've thought about doing.
Carter is self-driven, creative, phenomenal drawer, and a great big brother. We are going to be blessed to see what he becomes in this world, because knowing him, it's going to be something extraordinary.
Push it, Carter, push it, Carter, push it! Push it, Carter, push it! Push it, buddy, push it! You got it! Push it, Carter, push it! Push it, Carter, push it! Go, Carter! There you go, buddy!
I'm Graceland and I'm 7. I love drawing.
Graceland Margaret, like we always tell her, she's beautiful, smart, and kind. She's our mini mom, the nurturer of the family, and has the biggest heart of them all.
I'm Ruben and I'm 5. I'm not a big brother.
Ruben Edward Ignacio. His favorite saying is, "I just love everybody." He's a gentle soul, a kind heart. He's laid back. He's affectionate. He goes with the flow. We just love having him as a part of our family.
I'm Sylvia and I'm 6. I like to ride my bike super fast. My favorite toy is Boo. Guys, come watch me ride my bike. I'm
Silviano Ledger J. Like he said, he's the family daredevil. He isn't scared of anything. He's fearless and marches to the beat of his own drum. He's a born leader, and he's definitely Daddy's mini-me. Always having to fix what is or even isn't broken. He definitely keeps us on our toes.
I'm Leo, and I'm 2 months old. And I think I'm completely adorable. You know, my favorite things are right now: eat, poop, sleep.
Leandro Andrew Kenneth. The baby we didn't know we needed until we had him. He definitely was our surprise blessing. He's cuddly, easygoing, and our little charmer.
What's going on, everybody? If you guys are new here, welcome to Rolling With The Sanchezs. And if you guys like, subscribe, show your friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button, and definitely join our clan, man. Hit that join button. We definitely appreciate it, and we couldn't thank you guys enough. Until then, we will catch you guys on the next one. Later.